Make pop-up folders. I'm going to create a pop-up folder on my app screen. So I'm going to my app screen, and now I'm just long pressing this app, and then I'm just moving this app into another app just like so. Here you can see a border showing. Once the border showing, then I'm going to releasing this app, and then a pop-up folder will create using these two apps. If you want to add more apps into this pop-up folder, do the same thing. Just long press the app and drag the app, put the app into the pop-up folder just like so. And now if you want to rename the pop-up folder, tap on folder name, and now you can easily go ahead and add a name to your pop-up folder. And then to change your pop-up folder color, tap on this color box, and here you can go ahead and select a different color for your pop-up folder. Here we can see. Now if you want to remove any specific app from the pop-up folder, just open the pop-up, long press the app, and just drag the app outside of the pop-up folder, and the app will be removed just like so. Sorry for my mistake. I have to tap on the pop-up folder, then long press the app and simply remove the app from the pop-up folder. And this is how we can actually do it.